Hello, in this video I want to show you the two settings you need to change to improve your graphics quality for Call of Duty Warzone 2.0. And right here, click on the settings, go for the graphics tab. Make sure to disable the dynamic resolution as a first one. It will lower your FPS overall, but the graphic resolutions should improve and you'll see the quality increase very fast. Next is quality settings right here, click on it, and here make sure to disable the upscaling and use the render resolution as high as possible. It will eat your FPS a lot, and 200 is very high end, and I wouldn't recommend using 200, but 100 is very okay for like mid-game PC. And you can also change the graphic quality preset, but that's other words. So here there was two settings which lowered your graphics settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.